The Sony Walkman WM-FX455 belongs to the FX451, 453, 455 family. The FX453 and 455 add megabass, and only the FX455, this one, has Dolby noise reduction. It is in great cosmetic condition because it spent its life in a soft case. It can also be carried around without a case, using a plastic clip. When I got it, it wouldn't play tape, but it was making a reaffirming whirring sound. I decided to open it to check the condition of the rubber belt. Unlike the prior generation of cheap Sony Walkmans that have plastic mechanism mounted directly on the circuit board, in this model the mechanism is mounted on a metal chassis. The downside is that you need to remove the circuit board to get access to the mechanism. As I suspected, the rubber belt stretched and snapped. Luckily, it hasn't turned into a gooey mess, so it was a relatively quick affair to remove the remains of the old one, clean the path, and install a new one. A quick check showed that the distortion is acceptable for listening to many styles of music, like the Rock and Roll Era series.
Time Life presents the Rock and Roll Era, a year-by-year celebration with over 300 original hits by the original stars.
There is a common held belief that in the early 1960s, rock and roll was in danger of dying out because so many of the original stars were no longer around. But this collection proves otherwise. I am going to turn on Megabass to add more punch and engage the Dolby decoder to get rid of the hiss. The cassettes are loaded with chrome tape, but should be played as if they are regular ferric tapes. Each double-length cassette offers about 40 to 45 minutes of playback per side, so with the auto-reverse function, you can get almost an hour and a half of uninterrupted music. The Rock and Roll Era series show that even before the Beatles, rock was in pretty good shape, just like this Walkman, a well-preserved artifact of the era of analog audio.
The Rock and Roll Era, only from Time Life Music.